Let us fly over Nike Lake Road and Nike Road to see what is going on. The Enugu State government are currently demolishing properties along Abakpa Enugu Road. Recall that on the 28th of October 2024, the Enugu State government flagged off the construction and dualization of the 43.7 km Penok-Abakpa Enugu-Ugbogo-Nike-Opinsuka Road, linking the city of Enugu to Nsukka. The demolition exercise, which started on the 13th of February, is still currently going on, and properties and shops along the road has all been pulled down. So this demolition exercise that is currently going on is going to see all the properties along Nike Lake Road, starting from Pennox down to T Junction, all demolished, while those properties along Nike Road, starting from Abakpa Bridge down to Ugbogo-Nike, will all be demolished. Then from Ugbogo-Nike up to Opinsuka Road. But for now, the properties that are being demolished currently are those ones along Nike Lake Road, from Pennox down to T Junction, and from Abakpa Bridge down to T Junction as well.
For a show to begin, and I am hoping for a draw and not for a win. But this might be a no-show, a tower throw, a no-go. You are as always notoriously late. Disarm me with your smile. Say you're sorry I had to wait, but at least you're here. I got things to tell you, so just sit there. Has no one ever told you everyone falls? And when the heart is lonely, the lonely heart calls. So let me in your secret room, take down the I got